welcome to Tea with Jann. I am Jann. If you are new to my channel, welcome. We talk about all things tea. We taste tea and we also look at tea ware products, both new and old. And today I'm having a cup of tea out of this here, but she is adorable. I got her for Christmas, if you guys remember. And sometimes just a bag of Earl Grey is exactly what I'm looking for. So quick and easy and just what I need. So I received this package. Somebody sent me this. This is so nice. Let me get the box open for us. So thank you so much. I know that this is from Alyssa. Thank you very much for thinking enough of me that you'd want to send something. So this is exciting. All right. Woo! To Jann from Alyssa. This is so adorable. Guys, this is totally cheering me up. Here. Luckily, I'm still allowed to use scissors. What do you think we have in here? I'm gonna guess tea. Oh my gracious. Do you know how wonderful handwritten notes are? This is wonderful. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. Dear Jann, happy holidays. So what had happened was that Alyssa was trying to send this to me in the middle of December, and things just got crazy. I mean, remember, I was doing 2 videos a day, and yeah, I apologize profusely to her. And I just didn't get back to her with all my details, so things got delayed. I'm so sorry, Alyssa. Dear Jann, happy holidays. My name is Alyssa. About a month or so ago, I randomly stumbled across your YouTube channel and watched all of your David's Tea reviews from last year. Ever since then, I've been hooked. Seeing as we both love tea, I thought I'd curate a little box for you and others to enjoy. In each wrapping, I've included 2 tea bags of the same flavor. If you try the tea and love it, then you have another bag to steep and enjoy. If the flavor isn't to your liking, then gift it to someone who you think would enjoy it. That's so amazing. I hope you, your wife, and your little fur babies, I'm obsessed with them, are having a lovely holiday season. Keep up the bubbly spirit. Your personality is infectious. Well, I hope to get it all back soon. Best wishes, Alyssa. And this was dated on December 13th, 2019. And this is so sweet, you guys. Look at all of this. She had everything done up to be opened on certain days. Oh, do you know what? Let's see what we got. And then we're gonna figure out a way we can do this. Okay, January 31st, the last day of January. I hope you enjoyed. This is so fun and so thoughtful. A random surprise, open whenever. January 27th, January 9th. These are so adorable. January 17th. January 21st, 1 month before my birthday. That's so adorable. January 5th, January 25th, January 13th, the 11th, the 3rd, the 15th, halfway through the month, the 29th. This is adorable. The 23rd, the 7th, the 19th, January 1st, a relaxing tea to get you through the hangover accompanying New Year's Eve. Happy 2020. Oh my gosh, this just amazing. Open when you're having a bad day. Hopefully it will cheer you up a bit. You guys, this has already cheered me up. Alyssa, this is amazing. Thank you so much. Do you know what I think we're gonna do? I mean, we can't just open them all up now. It's January 30th. We're gonna pretend the Januaries are Februaries. We're gonna do it in February. This will brighten me up in February. It will give me a reason to get up and to get moving and to talk to people and to not be a crying potato. I am so excited. And I know we have the tea thoughts, but we're gonna do it. We're just gonna have casual days of tea. This was in behind this packet. The Republic of Tea, leading purveyor of premium teas, and it's a peppermint chocolate rooibos. I love the package. Definitely trying that one. We're gonna leave that one to the end too. But we're gonna open these right now just because this says open when you're having a bad day. Hopefully it will cheer you up. Well, lately I could use a lot of cheering up, so. Oh my God! I can't even. This is the most adorable thing in the world. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Look at that. How adorable is that? And then look. It's so stinking cute. Oh my God. Oh, Alyssa. That is adorable. We're also going to open up this one. A random surprise, open whenever. This is so cute. I think that we don't have handwritten notes enough lately. Because you like Earl Grey. Here's a selection of Earl Grey teas from Hardy & Sons that I received for Christmas. Thought I'd share some with you so you can enjoy too. Feel free to look them up by name on the H&S website so you can see the ingredients. Happy drinking. This is amazing. So we have Earl Grey Supreme, Winter White Earl Grey, Imperial Earl Grey, and Earl Grey Classic. Man, oh man. This is amazing. Oh my God, this is everything. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Alyssa. Clearly you have brightened my day. Mission accomplished. I'm so sorry about the kerfuffle with the, messaging back and forth. Thank you so much for sending this out. And yeah, it's just, this has been very enjoyable. Thank you. I can't wait. I'm gonna try some Earl Grey. I have an appointment to go to here shortly, but then I will try some Earl Grey, and I am excited to tell you how I love it. And like I said, I'm gonna figure out a way to do those in February. Hopefully. I keep thinking February is so far away, but it's not. What's that song? Dun dun dun. You're so far away. No. Don't sing, Jann. Just admire my bowl. That is adorable. I love the feel of it. I love the shape of it. Like, I can use this as a matcha bowl, right? Maybe? It's my my bowl. I can do what I like with it. Right, Alyssa? Thank you so much. This is everything. Like, amazing. Oh, man. See? Best community ever. You guys are amazing. And this, is, surrounding myself with amazing people, whether that be in person or virtually, is exactly what I need. So people that I'm okay with. If I can't speak, it's all good. This is actually Earl Grey too. Ahmad tea Earl Grey. He is very lovely. Super excited to try out those ones. So yes. Again, Alyssa, I can't thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate this. You've definitely 100% brightened my day. Thank you so much. I will talk to you guys all in the comments down below. Until next time, take care. Bye.